In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create the photo gallery with Elementor. So in order to do that, first head over to elementor.com, click on this Get Started right here in order to sign up for an account, or click on this Login option in order to log in. Now on your Elementor, you should be able to actually use it by hosting it into our actual WordPress. Head over to wordpress.com, click onto this Get Started option, or head over and click onto this login in here as well. So since I already have an account on both, let me head over and then just log in. Now here is my actual WordPress. Head over right here to your pages. And then in here, just choose in here the page that you wish to edit. I have in here this About Us. You can see that it's tagged as Elementor. So click on this Edit with Elementor option. Here is our actual Elementor website. Now, in order to create a photo gallery, what we can do is we can just search in here for the widget for the gallery. You can also just click onto this search widget and search in here for that. We have in here basic gallery, or photos navigation. In this case, let me head over and add in here a basic gallery just above this. And then from in there, it should be able to be added. Just choose in here any image that you wish to use by clicking onto this Add Images option. Now you can see the images. Let me head over and choose this, and this. I have selected 4. Click onto this Create a New Gallery. Click onto this Insert Gallery. And after that, as you can see, it's now been added. You can also add more items if you would want to as well. So in here, you can also change their image resolution from thumbnail to medium in order to suit your liking right here. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.